Dear students, today we are solving DSE 2021 question paper. First question, x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1 and the maximum value of minus x plus z. तो पहले क्या करेंगे? It's very easy. पहले निकालेंगे x square plus z square max equal to 1 when y square equal to 0. ये हो ही सकता है. So z minus x whole square equal to x square plus z square minus 2xz. Now for x greater than 0 and z greater than 0. So minus x plus z is max. ये कब होगा? जबकि x square plus z square greater than 2xz. So m greater than gm inequality के हिसाब से कर सकते हैं and 1 greater than equal to 2xz. अगर x equal to minus 1 by root 2 लेंगे, z equal to 1 by root 2. So 2xz equal to max value equal to 1. So 1 by root 2. 2 by root 2, so root 2, and it happens when x equal to z equal to 1 by root 2. So that's it. This is the answer to this question. Let's proceed to the next one. Consider a triangle AC equal to 2AB equal to root 3 and BC equal to 1. Consider a random point P inside the triangle. Minimum distance from P to AC to BC, D1, D2, D3. So हमें ये वैल्यू निकालना है. So ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं पहले ही. इस तरीके से होगा. अगर ये A है, ये B है, ये C है. So this is it. ये D1 है, ये D2 है और ये D3. This is P. ये 2 है, ये root 3 है और ये 1 है. So area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle APC plus area of triangle APB plus area of the triangle BPC. Which are? So obviously half into root 3 into 1 equal to half into 2 into D1, half into root 3 into D2 plus half into 1 into D3. So root 3 equal to 2 D1 plus root 3 D2 plus D3. So finally answer is root 3. Let's go for the next one. One girl is training half marathon in Delhi. She decides to run x1 kilometer for the 8th day and the next day 12 days. And on the last day she finds out that 12 kilometer per day on average. What is the statement? Well, the statement is true. Okay, so x1 plus x2 dot 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 x12 by 12 is equal to 12. So summation of xi is 144. So summation of xi by 12 is greater than equal to AMGM inequality. Very simple. So m greater than equal to gm. So 12 greater than x1 x2 dot 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 x12 whole to the power 1 by 2. Because x1 not equal to x2, z not equal to x3, so the inequality doesn't hold. So obviously log 12 base 12 greater than 1 by 2 log of x1 base 12 plus log of x2 base 12 in this way. So 1 greater than summation of log of xi base 12. So log of xi, this thing is less than 1. So if you just reverse it, multiply, and this will be less than 12. So option number first is correct.